Friends, I am Hamid Hussain and welcome to our channel Jamia Coaching Center. Okay, so today we will study probability. So first of all, we will try to know what is probability. So probability is the study in which we study with what is the chance of getting an event. किसी इवेंट को गेट करने की, किसी इवेंट को अकर होने की कितनी चांसेस है, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रोबेबिलिटी. ओके, so in this chapter there are some basic terms as experiment. So what will be experiment? कि जो भी हम लोग इवेंट्स जो एक्टिविटी करेंगे दैट विल कॉल्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट, एज थ्रोइंग अ पेयर ऑफ डाइस, थ्रोइंग अ कॉइन, ऑल दीज आर कॉल्ड experiments. Okay, next term is trial. So a trial is an activity performed once which result in one or several outcomes. Okay, ट्रायल्स क्या है? ऐसी एक्टिविटी है जिसमें हम लोग क्या करते हैं, जिसमें एक या कई आउटकम्स आ सकते हैं. जैसे टॉसिंग अ क्वाइन, सो वंस इज अ वन ट्रायल. टॉसिंग अ क्वाइन 20 टाइम्स आर 20 ट्रायल्स. हमने अगर 20 टाइम्स क्वाइन को टॉस किया तो मतलब हमने क्या किया, 20 ट्रायल्स लिए. ओके, नेक्स्ट टर्म इज random experiment. So an experiment in which all the possible outcomes or results are known in advance but the exact result of any specific trial cannot be surely predicted is called a random experiment. Okay, जैसे कि हम लोग किसी ने कॉइन को टॉस किया तो हमें मालूम है कि हेड या टेल ही आएगा, बट ये हमें एक्जैक्टली मालूम नहीं था कि हेड आएगा या टेल आएगा. तो दैट दिस टाइप ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट आर कॉल्ड रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट. नेक्स्ट टर्म इज सैम्पल स्पेस. सैम्पल स्पेस में जितनी भी तरह की पॉसिबिलिटीज़ हैं, जैसे हमने कॉइन को टॉस किया तो हेड और टेल, या डाइस को हमने थ्रो किया तो 1 2 3 4 5 6, तो ये सारे जो पॉसिबिलिटीज़ हैं दैट आर कॉल्ड सैम्पल स्पेस. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज इवेंट. It is the well-defined collection of some specific outcome of the experiment. Okay, ये कहोगे जो वेल डिफाइंड कलेक्शन, यानी कि हमने बोला कि हमने कॉइन को टॉस किया और पूछेंगे कि हेड आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है, तो इसमें जो हमारा इवेंट होगा डेट विल कॉल्ड हेड. हमने डाई को थ्रो किया तो 1 2 3 इनमें से कोई चीज़ आने की क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी, सो तो डेट विल कॉल्ड इवेंट. नेक्स्ट वन इज इक्वली लाइकली आउटकम्स. इक्वली लाइकली आउटकम्स. इक्वली लाइकली आउटकम्स क्या हुआ कि हमने कोई भी अगर इवेंट किया, हमने कोई एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं तो जो भी उसमें रिजल्ट आ रहे हैं उन सबके आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी इक्वल हो, चांसेस इक्वल हो, वो बोलेंगे इक्वली लाइकली आउटकम्स. जैसे हमने डैश को थ्री किया तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 का आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या इक्वल इक्वल है, 1/6 1/6. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड इक्वली लाइकली आउटकम्स. आउटकम्स विथ some or equal chances of occurrence. Okay, next one is exhaustive outcomes. The total number of all possible outcomes of an experiment or trial are its exhaustive outcomes. Example, when a dice is thrown there are all 6 exhaustive outcomes. Okay, or 6 exhaustive events. Okay, next is called favorable outcome, that event that comes in the favor. Sure event, that is important point. Sure event, the event which is 100% sure that you will get. If you are throwing a dice and what is the probability of getting the natural number, so it is a sure event. Okay, so there are two type of event. One is sure event, it means the occurrence of the chances of occurrence is 100%, that is called sure event. And next one is impossible event, you will never get this type of event. Okay, as in a question they ask what is the probability of getting 8 if you are throwing a dice, so that is impossible. If you are throwing a dice you can never get 8, so that is called impossible event. Okay, next one is complement of an event. So always remember keep probability of sure event is 1, probability of impossible event will be 0. Next is complement of event. Okay, complement of event. It means if someone asks what is the probability of getting of not getting 5 if you are throwing a dice. Okay, it means you are studying about not occurring. Okay, so it will equals to 1 minus what is the probability of getting that event. Okay, so that is called complement of event equals to 1 minus probability of getting that event, that is called complement of event. Okay, so you can also write key probability of an event and plus probability of complement of event equals to 1. Next one is classical probability that we will study. We will consider that all things are fair. So first one, you have to remember the basic formulas for any event. Probability of any event equals to number of event divided by number of sample space, or you can write NE by NA. So there are very basic things, or there are very few things. If you will remember, you can easily solve all the questions. The first thing is probability will always lie from 0 to 1. Second thing, probability of any sure event will always 1. Probability of impossible event will always 0, and probability of complement of an event equals to 1 minus probability of that event. Okay, and if you are taking all basic events, then the sum of all basic probability, the sum of the probability of all basic event always will 1. Okay, and there are some things in a coin. In a coin there will be head and a tail. In a die there will be 6 number 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and in a playing card there will be 52 cards, among which there will be 2 types of card. Okay, first one will be black, that will be 26, and there will be 26 red cards. So in black cards there are 2 groups. There will be 13 spades cards and 13 clubs card. Okay, and in the red there will be 13 heart and 13 diamonds, and in all these groups there will be same. Okay, Ekka, king, queen, jack. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Next 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, यानी कि ये कार्ड्स होंगी जिसमें ये दीज कार्ड्स विल बी फेस कार्ड. ओके, ये कार्ड क्या कहलाएंगे? फेस कार्ड. उसके बाद 1 नंबर 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, तो ये टोटल कितनी होगी? 13. यही चीज़ें सब में रिपीट्स होंगी. ओके, एस, किंग, क्यून, जैक, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. सेम इसमें भी होंगे. का किंग, क्यून, जैक, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 एंड 10. सेम इसमें भी होंगी. का किंग, क्यून, जैक, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 एंड 10. So always remember there will be total face cards. Total face card will be 12. Okay, among there will be 6 black face card and there will be 6 red face card. Okay, 6 red face card. So I hope कि आपको ये समझ में आ गया होगा. So these were the some basic of the probability chapter. Now you can solve any of the question. Okay, so exercise 15.1, probability of an event plus probability of event not A. We have already studied, that is equals to 1. Second question, probability of an event that cannot happen is impossible event and such the probability of an event that cannot happen is 0 and such an event is called impossible event. The probability of an event that is certain to happen, that will be 1 and such an event is called sure event. Okay, it is 1 and that is called sure event. It is probability of an event that cannot happen is 0 and such an event is impossible event. And probability of an event plus probability of event not equals to 1. The sum of probability of all elementary event of an experiment is 1. The probability of an event is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. Okay, which of the following experiment have equally likely outcomes? Explain. कह रहा है कि इनमें से किनका इक्वली लाइकली आउटकम्स होगा. तो अ ड्राइवर अटेम्प्ट्स टू स्टार्ट अ कार, द कार स्टार्ट और डज नॉट स्टार्ट. तो ये इनकी इक्वली लाइकली नहीं होगी क्योंकि कार के स्टार्ट होने की ज़्यादा प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी, नहीं स्टार्ट होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी कम होगी. तो इक्वली लाइकली नहीं है. इक्वली लाइकली में दोनों जो भी उसके इवेंट्स होंगे या तो उनकी हैपन होने की, उनकी आकर होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी इक्वल होनी चाहिए. सेकंड, अ प्लेयर अटेम्प्ट्स टू शूट अ बास्केटबॉल, शी और ही शूट्स और मिसेस द शॉट. सो ज़्यादातर चांसेस होंगी वो शूट करेगा, मिस होने के चांसेस कम होते, इक्वल नहीं होते. अ ट्रायल इज मेड टू आंसर अ ट्रू फॉल्स क्वेश्चन. ट्रू फॉल्स के लिए क्या हो गया? 50-50 चांसेस हैं. अ बेबी इज बॉर्न, इट इज़ बॉय और गर्ल. 50-50 चांसेस, या तो बेबी हो गया, गर्ल बॉय हो गया, गर्ल होगा. नेक्स्ट, वाई इज टॉसिंग अ कॉइन कंसिडर्ड टू बी फेयर way of deciding which team should get the ball at the beginning of the a football game? So because tossing a coin is equally likely outcomes. Okay, gives equally likely outcomes. So getting head or tail is 50-50% chances. So we always toss a coin. Okay, which team should get the ball at the beginning of a football game. Okay, next, which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? So we always know that the value of probability lies between 0 to 1. So probability can never be negative. Okay, so cannot. So this cannot be a probability of an event. This is the lies between 0 and 1. This also lies between 0 and 1. This also lies between 0 and 1. Okay, next, if probability E of event A equals to 0.5, what is the probability of not A? So probability of not A will be 1 minus 0.05, that equals to 0.95. Okay, so I hope कि आप सारे क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करेंगे. एंड इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग, इफ यू विल गेट एनी डाउट, so you can ask in the comment section. Inshallah I will always available to answer all of your doubts. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and you can also join our application which is available on the Play Store with the name of Jamia Coaching Center. Okay, thanks for watching.